I have a 22 horsepower Briggs & Stratton intek V-twin. Engine is surging at all speeds. I drained and replaced the fuel, check that governor is properly adjusted. Fuel is flowing through fuel pump even when engine is off.
Can you guesstimate how old the engine is? And has it done anything like this in the past?
Only 37 hours, no problems till now. Bought new.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. This is Briggs Twin. I always run a cylinder test, to be sure both cylinders are following. Loosen the spark plug wires, and with the engine idling, remove one wire at a time. The engine should continue to run. If the engine dies when either wire is removed, the opposite cylinder is not firing. If that is the case, check for spark. If it has spark, remove the rocker cover and check for a pushrod off.
Both cylinders firing fine.
Okay, check the fuel supply to the carburetor from the fuel pump. You did run the cylinder test?
I did the cylinder test. Both are firing. Fuel is getting to carb. Fuel runs through fuel pump with engine off, however.
Fuel should not run through the pump. I would replace the fuel pump.
Okay, I will start there.
That should take care of it. Let me know.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.